There are online businesses making millions of dollars right now, and most people are just completely ignoring them. And now I have spent a lot of time, 4 years in fact, studying these exact sorts of businesses and creating some of my own. And once you start to realize exactly what is going on behind the business itself, you'll realize that this isn't rare and that there are actually hundreds, if not thousands of businesses set up in the exact same way as this one I'm gonna show you today, making a ton of money. And so this is a business that has generated over 5 million Great British pounds in revenue, which, that's a lot of US dollars. And most importantly, I'm gonna break down the exact pattern behind the business that is driving its success. And so this is the business in question. It's called Arrow Gift Co. They are a Etsy shop. So they are a business set up on the sales platform Etsy. And as you can see here, they have made 1.2 million sales of products in 10 years of running. And if you just look at the products here, a lot of us might be going on this shop and just thinking, wow, how the hell have they turned over millions and millions and millions of dollars in revenue like they have selling these sorts of products? Because just like I said to you in the intro, they look incredibly simple. And now it's very easy for us to look at a store like this and just think, oh, they just come across something and they got really lucky, right? But there are tons of other stores out there on Etsy built in the exact same way as this one. And I mean, if you look at the reviews, 178,000 reviews with an average review rating of 5 stars out of 5. There is a proven, consistent demand out there for these sorts of products that this store is selling. And like I said, not just this store, but tons of other stores out there that can be built in the exact same way. And there is no real brand behind it, right? This isn't like a big Shopify brand, for example, that are running loads of ads, spending loads of money on advertising like you would normally see people being built. This isn't some huge drop shipping brand, okay? This is just a solid business built selling very simple products on a sales platform called Etsy, which actually bring the customers to you and bring the customers to your shop. And so I want to actually start breaking down exactly what this business is for you guys, okay? So all it is like I said, very simple print on demand products, right? And if you don't know what print on demand is, guys, print on demand dropshipping is basically where you create the designs to go onto blank label good products. You upload those designs to a third party supplier who holds, say, all of these white mugs in stock. You then market the product without actually physically having it. You just market it using something known as mock-up images, which basically just present the product and show the audience what it would look like once the design is printed on it. And then of course, you actually don't have to spend any money to buy the product. You're not housing any stock. You're not making them yourself. You are only making the design. And then once a customer buys that product from your shop that you are presenting to them, the third party that is holding all of these white mugs, for example, then print your design on the mug and send it directly to the customer. And so this exact business that this exact store has made can literally be run completely from a laptop. And in fact, I'm sat in New Zealand right now, and this is exactly what I do with my own shop selling mugs in the exact same way. And so this is not just some little side hustle, guys, all right? Like I said, millions and millions of dollars in revenue, and they have built a whole business around recognizing patterns of products or designs that are performing well, and then expanding that to hit lots of different audience bases. And like I said, if I scroll down here, you can see this pillow is a perfect example, right? You'll notice that they are very age specific, okay? So they're perfectly targeted for birthday presents. And there's a customized name underneath each of these pillows that of course somebody could buy and customize for the receiver. And so look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 products here, right? That has taken probably not much work at all to get made. And they are targeting 60th birthday, 50th birthday, 40th, 30th, 21st, 18th, 16th, 13th, all with a personalized name aspect as well. They haven't had to make a new design. They have just had to change 1 digit within the design title and literally 1 digit within all of the SEO for this listing. And all of a sudden, like I said, they have got all of these new products out selling to all of these different search terms and all of these different potential buyer categories that are looking for these products on Etsy. And so this is what I mean. They are not reinventing the wheel every single time. They are more often than not just taking one proven concept based off of research that they know has worked, and they are then multiplying that to hit different audience bases. And I wouldn't be surprised if they've got a similar sort of design somewhere on mugs as well. But like you can see here, again, this is another perfect example here, guys, on my screen right. Happy Father's Day to Dad. You'll notice two different products here, the exact same design. So when I talk about the print on demand dropshipping business model, all they've done is made this design once, and they have just mocked it up and presented it on two different products. And now all of a sudden, somebody that's looking for a Father's Day gift who wants maybe a cheap coaster can get this product, and someone who's looking for a Father's Day gift who wants to buy a mug will be presented this product. And they know that the concept of the design that is on that product, they know that that works, and they have just multiplied it because they've seen the proof either through their own shop or through research that is working well. And again, perfect example here, guys, right? It's the exact same design here again, but now on a card. So 3 products that they've got made, which, you know, is very lucky that they're all showing up because I've only just got on this shop to show you guys this sort of stuff, but this has proven my point exactly. Same design, multiplication of products, and it makes it a lot easier when you look at the amount of products that they've got, 11,000 plus products, right? Which of course is a mega catalog by any standards, but it makes it a lot easier to get to that sort of product level when you apply that sort of pattern recognition system. And again, the exact same here, dog dad, dog dad, dog mum, dog mum. And so you can already start to clearly see, guys, that a lot of the success of this shop has come from, like I said, pattern recognition and extreme consistency of just continuously uploading high quality products, with every single product being targeted for a specific buyer use case. And again, this is the great thing about running a business on Etsy, right? I imagine this shop, they are not having to run, you know, meta ads. They are not having to work with influencers to bring in sales to this shop, because Etsy is a search-based marketplace, right? I could literally go into the search place here and I could type in Father's Day mug gift, and then potentially one of the products from that shop, yeah, look, Arrow Gift Co Limited, right? Bestseller product here. One of their products has shown straight up, along with a ton of other mugs as well. So I'm a buyer, and Etsy is putting products from sellers in front of buyers, but it is the buyer that is coming to your shop and to the business, rather than you having to pay a ton of money when, you know, somebody is just scrolling, say, Facebook on their phone or whatever. You don't have to pay money to run meta ads to force your product in front of that person. Etsy is doing it for you, and they are doing it for you organically. And I wanna hop over to a research program here, guys, called Everbee, okay? If you're selling on Etsy or you're looking to get selling on Etsy, then this is by far and away the best program that you can get to see how shops are performing. And like I said, I'm on Arrow Gift Co here. I'm just analyzing the shop, and you can see within the last month, all of the products that have been selling well for them and how much those products have been making. So again, you've got a mug here, just a brunette and a blonde with an unbreakable bond. So again, targeted for a best friend gift. That's made 42 sales in the last month. That one mug has made 400 Great British pounds in revenue for them, which is what, like $600? Again, this very simple coaster design as well. Just a daily reminder, affirmation. You can get a design like that made up, guys, by the way, on AI. That would literally just take you one prompt, and you can get that made so easily and just sell these exact same sorts of products if you wanted to. Obviously in your own style. I don't want to promote everybody to go out there and copy this exactly right, but I'm saying the concept behind the business is very easy to replicate. Again, this one, retired and under new management. Gift for a retiree. Everything, guys, has got that use case behind it. And what I will say to you as well, if any of you are looking at like taking Etsy seriously and looking at getting selling on Etsy, just grab this app. It's called Everbee, okay? You can go on any business on Etsy, look at exactly how the business is performing, look at all of the numbers behind the business, look at how many sales the business is making, look at the revenue behind the business, even look at the exact products on the store that is selling well. Whenever you make your own designs and your own products, you know the sorts of products that are selling well on Etsy already, so you are not wasting time guessing what is working. And of course, guys, if any of you are serious about this and you wanted to check out Everbee, there is a sponsored link in the video description. You can get started completely for free, guys. But again, I'll leave that completely up to you. But this is the overall point that I keep trying to make about Etsy and about these sorts of businesses, guys, right? There is nothing super special about this business. Like, yes, very respectable. Look at the amount of listings. Look at the quality of the designs. They have been consistent over a 10-year period. That's incredibly respectable in itself, right? I am not diminishing anything from this business. You know, we're not painting Mona Lisas here. All of these designs can be made using AI. All of the presentation can be generated using AI mockups, or just even using Printify mockups from any print provider, or just buying presentation mockups from Etsy yourself. The research behind all of the products and who they are targeting, like what the actual design is and the customer who would be buying the design, you can all do that using Everbee as well. So all of the research can also be done so that you're not wasting time. I work with a lot of people and I see a lot of people being very successful in this exact same business model. I even sell mugs myself in one of my Etsy shops, right? I use this exact same strategy. And again, that brings me in well over 5 figures per month. Again, using the exact same business model as this one. I just cannot believe, guys, how we are in 2026 and there's still so many people out there thinking that like dropshipping and, you know, having to run a load of meta ads, working with influencers, how so many people think that that's like the only decent way to make money in e-commerce. When Etsy exists, it is literally the easy version of Amazon. And if you can get good at research and recognizing the patterns of businesses like this and recognizing the patterns of what does well, and put that into your own business and start your own business doing this the exact same, you, again, have got a great chance of being very successful in this. And now I know what I'm about to say is probably gonna offend a lot of people in the artist community out there, right? Or the handmade community. But Etsy back in the day started off as predominantly just a handmade place for artists and creatives to sell their products as a side hustle and eventually build up to a full-time income, right? Full-time businesses. And there's some incredible shops on Etsy that have done that and still do that to this day, which is incredibly respectable, right? But there is also a lot of new businesses now starting on Etsy, just like the businesses that I start, just like the businesses that my clients start as well, that makes them 5 figures per month too, that you can run completely from your laptop, completely remotely, with all of the creativity done completely by AI. And now I'll be the very first to admit, I am not an artist by any means. I am not a creative by any means, but I love making money and I love having more time outside of a 9-to-5 job that I can spend with my family, with my loved ones, hiking, traveling, seeing the world, and running businesses completely from my laptop. Etsy, print on demand, dropshipping, Etsy, digital product businesses, tick every single one of those boxes, guys. And if any of you haven't started a business on Etsy yet, or you haven't even seriously looked into it, then now is going to be the best time to do it. I honestly just cannot stress how untapped of a business model Etsy is in 2026. In comparison to other business models like Amazon, or like trying to run a dropshipping store and starting a dropshipping brand. And now, one thing I will say though, guys, is that it is not as straightforward as a lot of people think. And so that kind of leaves us with one last question to answer, right, guys? And the question is no longer, does Etsy actually work, right? Can you actually make money on Etsy? When, there is a host of evidence out there that proves you categorically can, with brand new shops as well, by the way. And so that's no longer the question. The question now should be how to use and leverage Etsy as a sales platform and how to apply the method of selling on Etsy, just like this shop has done with their research, with pattern recognition, with design creation, with how they scale their products. It is about applying that in the right way. And although on the outset, Etsy seems incredibly simple, if you do not do that in the right way, then you will not make anywhere near the kind of money that you see people making on Etsy to this day, right? You will just really, really struggle. And so in the next video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to start one of these businesses, guys, right from choosing the niches and knowing exactly what product to sell, all the way up to listing the product and actually making your first money online, selling these sorts of products. And if you're serious about that, guys, then check out this video here. It's gonna explain absolutely everything for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.